Today's video, we are going to be talking about UGC. Now, if you do not know what that stands for, user generated content, you've probably heard this term before. And if you have not, this video is going to dive into why this is such an important concept when it comes to creating ads for your business. Now, you do see all these ads all the time. You just do not realize that they're probably UGC or user generated content. But now you are starting to see some of the layers as we go through this video and the reasons why businesses do this and why you should be doing it as well. Now, the first one that's very important is it being authentic, because if you have a product that you are trying to sell and you have people taking videos of actually using that product, it makes a huge difference, because then people can see exactly how that product should be utilized. Or if you have a result that's going on, people showing their results, people can resonate with that. It makes it more authentic for the person that's actually checking this out. So a future client, future business person, any type of person that looks to buy your product or whatever you're trying to sell, having this type of content, again, goes a long way to them to actually trust you. Because if it is a big type of corporate type thing, so let's just use Coca-Cola for an example, we could have used anything. Sometimes you can't really resonate and actually connect to them because it's such a large company. They put so much production into it so that you do realize that it's almost like a fake ad because it's not a real life situation. Whereas a lot of these other things where you're seeing someone film from, say, their iPhone, their Android, whatever it is, you know that someone didn't put as much money into it. Even again, they probably put a lot of effort thinking about what they're doing, but you know that the thing that they're actually shooting is very authentic. So that's one of the reasons why. The second reason why is it's very cost effective. So again, if you are starting out, you're a brand new business that you're just starting your business today, a UGC is going to be way more beneficial when it comes to the cost compared to doing a big production, because you pretty much anyone watching this now has a cell phone. So all you have to do is just take that cell phone, raise it up, and just start filming yourself. It's very, very simple to do that. And again, if you have a product, film that product, the benefits that it offers, what it exactly does, what the person should expect when they receive it, or whatever you are offering. Again, filming all that really does help drive home to that person. And like I said, you're not going to be spending a whole lot of money because you already have your phone. You may need to buy a few different editing softwares, but there are free things out there nowadays anyways. We do have a video that does talk about that if you want to check it out. But overall, it's going to be a huge cost-effective way to, again, promote your product. Another reason why I think this is really important is because this is a great way to diversify, because what you're exactly going to be doing here is you're probably going to have other people taking images and sending videos back to you. So for instance, say you're trying to sell a widget to someone and you say, hey, if you buy this widget, film it, show us how you're utilizing it, because people really want to show that they actually utilize a different thing that they have. And this is a great way, because if they send it back to you, more likely not, they'll be more than happy to be a part of your advertising, because people will be like, hey, that's me on that ad. Now, granted, you may have to have them sign a waiver or something along those lines, but this, again, is going to help you because they're creating content for you, and you can pick and choose how you want to use that content. You can slice things up, add them all together, or again, overlay them on top of each other as well. Even having some type of like Google review on top of everything else that they're talking about. These are great ways to do that. And lastly, what you're going to be seeing here is going to be brand loyalty, because if again you do have this authentic type of UGC content, people are going to be seeing that this is a person that is behind this. It's not a large corporation. They're going to be more loyal. So again, if they do buy from you, they really like the product that you're selling or what you offer, they are going to more likely come back and buy it again, or keep a subscription, or refer more people to your business, which obviously, if you're in the world of business, you want to keep growing your business. So one of the best ways is more referrals. By having something that is very authentic, people can get behind, enjoy the product, and actually tell other people and not be scared that they're going to buy that product as well. That drives a huge, huge impulse into your business. So I do hope you enjoyed this video on why UGC content is very important. If you have any questions, always feel free to ask us. We also do offer a workshop where we go a deep dive into ads what you should be doing for your ads step by step, what works, what doesn't work, how to get things up onto Facebook, Instagram, any type of social media. I think it's very important that you do understand how to do it, and especially if you are a business owner, because there are a lot of tips and tricks on how to do this, and you want to make sure you're doing it right to save you time and obviously save you money. So if you want to check out that workshop, the link is down below. Check it out and we'll get to you whenever you can. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.